Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to update any graphics driver in Windows 10. Whether you have an Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA graphics card, I've got you covered. First, we'll go through the manual method. On the bottom left corner of your screen, right-click on the Start icon and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section. This is where you'll see the name of your graphics card. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Next, choose Search automatically for drivers. If it says the best driver is already installed, click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. This process may take 5 to 10 minutes, so be patient. If the update doesn't work or you want to double-check if your graphics card is up to date, right-click the card again, go to Properties, and under the Driver tab, you can see the driver date. If you have an Intel graphics card, download the Intel driver and support assistant. It's super easy, just run the program, and it will automatically detect and install the latest drivers for you. For AMD users, download the Auto Detect tool from the AMD website. This tool will automatically find the correct driver for your system and install it. NVIDIA makes it just as easy. Visit the NVIDIA website, where you might be asked to run Java. The site will detect your GPU and guide you through installing the latest drivers. That's how you update any graphics driver in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.